Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Badai Peit yang ketanat jengok kai pertai kejela ubah polling do. Habakran syikilat petai kubur Hadien ke Jingjia ke genhun menteri mendagasngi ke khatlai tarik jeliu arhaja arpesan. Ulang baka genhun menteri kelarai ban Peit Biang ya ke Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act Mrrssa arhajar khandriu ban penmi shushu eki kendon hapok ganikaan nak benta ban kemi Bniah hakabedei ban te lakam mikum kini Jingjia ki belajar dangshan Sohra ban perking iki kam sniu ki bela banja iki nong wan jengok kai hakajela. Hakabedei bak ILP ubah pol uloong bakadangdon hakajing sateng hak Ministry of Home Affairs kajing slam ban yo ILP kejela kade namar bakajing akran katanat kampo iyang kadang yat namar kejela Meghalaya kamdei kebakut kade kebakajela kebakiwe kejela ki haban yat lenti kum ke Mizoram Silchar bat Tripura. Uloong balingba kajing Peit Biang ya ke Mrrssa kan penlong ya kejela ke ban yai beteng ban ai ke jingsngan ya ki turis bat bagajela ke ne beteng ban yo ya ki turis kum ki parlok ne ki bahaya.
Mentioned to this point because the cabinet today also decided to revisit the Mrrssa, which is already an existing state act, to add more teeth to this act in view of what we have just experienced at Sohra, and to ensure that we minimize the possibility of criminal elements entering Meghalaya in the guise of tourists. As far as the ILP is concerned, let me remind you that the State Assembly has already adopted a resolution. The matter is pending before the MHA, which has a number of queries which we as a state government are trying to address. So some of these queries relate to the fact that Meghalaya is not an endpoint. We are also connecting the rest of the northeast, like the states of like Silchar and the states of Mizoram and Tripura. So there are certain queries, but if you go through the Mrrssa, there is already a lot that is already in place, but we need to upscale and further improve upon what we already have in the Mrrssa. So we will come up with formal proposal. Mrrssa is our version of what we would like to do in order to ensure the safety of all residents of Meghalaya. But as I mentioned, we would like now to revisit the Act in order to plug whatever loopholes are currently in it and give it more dynamism and more thrust with whatever has happened at Sohra, so that we ensure that we have an atmosphere that is safe and we continue to be tourist friendly.
This will be revisiting the 2016 Mrrssa or
the current Mrrssa which is in force.